What it is, it's an inductor and a capacitor in parallel, and adjusting this capacitor will change the resonant frequency of the circuit. So if I hook this, I know that with the capacitor turned all the way to the left as it is, the signal's resonant frequency is about 340 kilohertz. So if I turn this up to 340, what we'll find is that the oscilloscope is hooked up to this right now. It is resonating. So if I turn this signal generator to and away from 340 kilohertz, you'll see that it doesn't actually resonate as strongly. It's only right at 340 kilohertz that this thing resonates. What I can also do is adjust this, and you'll see as I turn this dial, I'll start to lose signal. But what I'm actually doing is shifting the resonant frequency of this circuit. I finished my Colpitts oscillator. It uses the natural resonant frequency of an inductor and capacitor in parallel, and then dumps that signal into a transistor to amplify it, and then that dumps the signal back into the other side. So I've got the circuit right here, and it's probed, so once I turn it on, I can see that it steadily oscillates at 250 kilohertz. So yeah. I'm actually really proud. I just made a wireless transmitter for this RC car that I'm building. So that's the transmitter, that's the receiver, and the way it works is it modulates a pulse width to send different commands. So I've got my oscilloscope here monitoring the pulse. If I press these different buttons, you see that the pulse width changes. And so the way that I'm doing it allows for multiple channels of commands. So for example, I've got forward, backwards, left and right, but you can mix those signals. So I've got a monitor here on my desktop, and one sec. So you'll see the default, it says stop. If I press this forward key, it says forward. If I press the backwards key, backwards. If I press the left key, left. Press the right key, right. And then, like I said, you can mix the channels. So forward and left, forward and right, backwards, backwards left, backwards right. Yeah, so I should have a RC car made pretty soon.